Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be stuffing my sinking funds and my savings challenges. So really quick, just wanted to re-show you guys the placeholders that I have. They're gold foil placeholders, and I have the denominations 100, 500, 1000, and 5000. They are linked down below on my Etsy shop if you guys want to check them out. All right, so let's see. I believe we're stuffing about $500, so let's count it. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So $506. Let's it's not even all of them. Okay, so there we go. Let's get started with my binder. So for Sway, my son, he's not going to get anything this time, but let's recount what he has. He has $200. Car maintenance is going to get $40. So car maintenance now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 500, and $5. So car maintenance now has $505, which I think I'm not going to stuff this as much anymore. I'm just going to stuff it little bits here and there because I think 500 is a good amount. But I still want to put more in there just in case it's something more expensive. So I'm going to be stuffing it little by little. Okay, so for car registration, it's going to get $20. So car registration now has 100, oh my God, 200, 20, 40, and 60. So 260. Okay, for car insurance, it's going to get $50. So let's do 20, 40, 45, 50. Maybe I shouldn't have laminated these. Okay, so insurance now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, and 75. Not bad. 475 now. Okay, for Christmas, Christmas is going to get $40. So Christmas now has 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, and 95. It's not bad. I still want to add a lot more to this, so hopefully in the upcoming videos I'll be able to add a lot more. Okay, for medical, I'm not going to put anything in medical this time. For laundry, I'm going to put $40. So here's 20 and 40, and I haven't done laundry yet, so the money's still in here, but I will be doing it this week. So laundry now has 20, 40, 60, and 80. Okay, vacation is going to get $40. So vacation now has 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. So 429, that's not bad. I'm still taking my 2K savings though to my vacation. So it's getting there. I think this might be for my plane ticket. Okay, Momo and Demon are going, they're not getting anything this time, but they do have $200. And couponing's not gonna get anything this time. So that's for my sinking funds. I did went ahead and put my savings challenges in another binder only because I am going to be starting more soon, but for now we're just gonna do these. So for my savings, my 2K savings, we are going to be putting $53 in here. So here's 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, and 53. And let's see how much we have in our 2K savings. Where did the other 20 go? Okay, so our 2K savings now has 500, 600, 700, 800, 20, 40, 60, 80, 900, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. That's not bad. 970. Almost 1,000. Almost halfway, you guys. Almost halfway. Oh my goodness. These placeholders are really thick, so it's like really hard to put them in. This is not working for me. Okay, there we go. That's very thick, you guys. Look at that. Okay, and then, so I'm not doing this one yet, which will be the medium and the medium mystery, and Pink X Budgets. I got her diamond challenge, so I'm going to be starting that one soon, but I think I'm going to start this one when I start the medium. So there's that one right there. So now we're going to be doing the 100 envelope box, and we have 4 numbers here. We have 38, 40, 42, and 43. So let's do that. So here's 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 20, 25, 30, 35, and 38. Okay. Okay, 42, so 20, 40, 41, 42, 43, 20, 40, 41, 42, and 43. Why do I have extra money? What did I forget? You guys, I must have forgot something. Oh, I'm looking over and I see retirement. I didn't put anything in my retirement and my investing. No, just my retirement, but I had allotted $60 for retirement. 20, 40. So we're gonna go back in and put that in for retirement. I totally didn't even realize I did that. Oh no. You guys, this is getting very, very tight. I think I might have to take some out and put it elsewhere because I don't think the rest are gonna fit filled. So it's very heavy too. Okay, there's that. So let's go back into our binder. And go into retirement. Do I even have retirement in here? I don't. Give me 1 second, you guys. Let me get... It's gonna be in this binder right here, which it is. So I'm in the midst of making more envelopes for myself. And yeah, see, it's right here. Now that I don't have debt to pay off, I can actually put more money towards other sinking funds. So I'm in the midst of doing that, but for now I'm gonna work with these. So for retirement, we're gonna do $60, which is 20, 40, and 60. The 60 that I have in here. All right, you guys, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.